This is the Megaclamp mounting base from Megaclamp products. This clamp is very strong and versatile and can be attached to either flat surfaces such as desks, shelves, and tabletops, or round surfaces such as pipes, rods, or railings. It's made of 1/4 inch thick steel, 1 7/8 inches wide, and features a black powder coat finish. The inside of the Megaclamp has soft rubber pads to protect your mounting surface. Note that there are 2 holes so that you can attach your flexible gooseneck or rigid arm either perpendicular or parallel to the clamp. The large handle makes it easy to tighten and loosen. It also features a ratcheted design, so if you're working in a tight space, the handle can be pulled out to disconnect and then released to re-engage. The Megaclamp will attach to any flat surface between 3/8 and 2 5/8 inches thick. For attaching to round pipes, rods, or railings, simply slip on the included molded rubber V-block. The Megaclamp can attach to round objects between 1/4 inch and 2 inches in diameter. We include a 3/8 inch stainless steel screw and washers for attaching to Megaclamp brand flexible gooseneck and rigid arms. This is part number SCP-MEGA, the Megaclamp from Megaclamp products.